Hey guys, and welcome to Word Scale. And in this video, we are going to be connecting our Rank and Rent website to VAPI, which stands for Voice API. So the AI can not only take calls for us, but also record, save his transcripts, and collect lead information. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Okay, first off, there are 3 reasons why you might want to invest in connecting your website to VAPI. Reason number 1 is that there are some rank and rent niches. I'm in 2 of them, which is hoarding and concrete leveling, where people experience urgency and do prefer to call. So I'm getting more calls than I am lead form submissions. And if you're only relying on the lead form capture, you're missing out. Secondly, if you do have a telephone number people can actually call, unless you answer the phone yourself, all of your calls are going to go to the voicemail. Again, this is going to be terrible for your conversions. And since the average check is so large, people will call once, maybe twice, and then they will never call again. So this is terrible for the business long term. Finally, hiring a salesperson is going to be very expensive. And if you have a bunch of rank and rents, it's going to add up real quick each month. So these are the 3 main reasons why I think you should consider connecting your rank and rent website to VAPI. Now, there are some steps that we want to go through. Before we do, this is the website I'll be experimenting with. This is Concrete Level in Buffalo. This is the telephone number that is currently with Hushed. So all of these calls go straight to voicemail, which is not ideal. And I'm actually ranking number 2 after a very large national company that is present across multiple states. So this in and of itself is amazing. So I'm just below a business which has 188 Google reviews with almost a perfect rating. So this is amazing. This goes to show that my rank and rent methodology works, and you can really outrank existing businesses if you do everything correctly. Now, as I said, we need to go through a series of steps. Step number 1, register with VAPI. Since I've tested VAPI before, I'm already registered with them. So I'll just go straight to my dashboard. And if we go to assistants, you can see that I already have one assistant called Ohio Hoarding Cleanup Directory. Now, step number 2, buy a phone number. So there are different options that you can use with a phone number. It's my personal preference that I buy my phone numbers through VAPI itself. So if you go to phone numbers and create a phone number, you can import your existing phone numbers from various carriers or providers, but I'll just use VAPI. But before I do, I need to check if the area code is available. Mine is 716. So let's click on create. And as you can see, this number is available. It should take a few minutes to activate. And for now, let me just copy over the phone number. I'll need it for later. And since I'm not from the US, let me just double check something real quick. I've purchased a phone number that I will paste below for my Buffalo Rank and Rents website, which is in New York. Let me know if this is the correct area code. Yes, 716 is the correct and primary area code for Buffalo, New York. It has been the established area code for Buffalo, Niagara Falls metropolitan area for decades. Okay, good enough for me. Next, we need to copy the API keys. And the telephone number has been activated. So now if we go to the API keys, I'll just copy my private key. And next up, I need to set up my project in Cloud Code. So the way you would do it is go to Cloud Code, choose Cowork, then set up a project, start from scratch, choose location or have Cloud Code create one by default, and make sure it has access to all of your builds. So I already have an existing project which covers all of my rank and rent websites, so it does have access to everything. Now create a sales assistant and train it on your data. So before we do that, it's going to be an interim step. I want to connect my Concrete Level in Buffalo website to VAPI and change the phone number. I want you to check my API keys, then set up my sales assistant, which should be an American male voice, fully aware of all of the sections of my website, which again is concrete-levelinbuffalo.com, and it should be trained to take calls, get all of the information needed to administer concrete leveling services. Below is the phone number and the API keys from vapi.ai. Okay, let me just make sure that the website concrete spelled correctly. Concrete leveling Buffalo. VAPI spelled with a V. And this is going to be my phone number, my new phone number purchased from VAPI, and my API key. Okay, let me check the VAPI API and verify your key. API key is valid. I can see your phone number is already on the account but has no assistant assigned. I've got full access to your VAPI account. Your phone number is this, but it has no assistant assigned yet, and this is what we want. Everything is live. Here's a summary of what's set up. Assistant, Concrete Level, Buffalo Jake. Voice, Elliot, American Male. Model GPT-4 Mini. Transcriber, Deep Graham Nova. Recording enabled. Greetings. Thanks for calling Concrete Level Buffalo. This is Jake. How can I help today? What Jake knows and does. All 6 services, the limestone slurry injection, price and talk track, key selling points, full service and coverage, trained to handle objections, refer callers to Concrete Level in Buffalo. You can test it right now by calling. Jake will pick up and run through the full sales conversation. Okay, let's go back to VAPI. Now to assistants. We have this Jake person, and this is the system prompt. Your identity, you're a Jake, a real person who works at Concrete Level in Buffalo. You're a male, you speak naturally, confidently, and conversationally. Critical roles, you work for Concrete Level in Buffalo. About Concrete Level in Buffalo, okay. Oh, okay. Phone numbers. I've spotted a discrepancy. It is now referencing the old telephone number, not the new one. That's an easy fix. Okay. Okay, in the system prompt, for Jake, you are actually referencing the old phone number that is currently on the website, but from now on we'll be using this new one that is set up in VAPI. And the phone number starts with 952, so we can check it out later. So let's refresh the page, and we should be seeing a new phone number being referenced. Okay, beautiful. Now let's test the phone number.
Thanks for calling Concrete Leveling Buffalo. This is Jake. How can I help you today?
Hi, who am I talking to again?
Hey, you're talking with Jake from Concrete Leveling Buffalo. But enough about me. What's going on with your concrete? How can I help get it fixed up?
Okay, my name is Vlad, VLAD. I have a very uneven floor, concrete floor inside of my garage. I was wondering if this is something that you can help me with.
Hey, Vlad, thanks for sharing that. Yeah, uneven concrete floors inside a garage are definitely something we can help with. Just so I get a clear picture, how long has it been uneven like that? And do you have any cracks or sinking spots, or is it mostly just uneven? Also, roughly how big is the area?
The floor has been uneven for a couple of years now, a couple of dents here and there.
Got it. Got it. So it's been a few years and there are some dips here and there. No worries. We can definitely sort that out. The good news is we can raise that floor back up to where it should be, usually in just a few hours.
Okay, so I was mumbling, but this is amazing, guys. I'm not sure if this is gonna carry over via the webcam that I have, but the quality is amazing, and it felt very natural talking to Jake, who is an AI. So now, if I refresh and go to logs, and as you can see, I have the recording that's gonna appear any second now. Full transcript. This is the call.
Thanks for calling.
Analysis of the call, the cost. So this call cost me 30 cents, sorry. And this is quite amazing. So now all I have to do is quite simple, which is go back to my Cloud Code and say something like, everything worked. I want you to change the phone number on my website to this new phone number. Make sure you change it everywhere. And this cloud project has full awareness of my build and files and code, since they are hosted locally on my computer. Choose folder and just go to Cloud, then websites, then rank and rents. And this is my concrete level in Buffalo. Found the old number in 64 files, 278 instances of the new number now appear across all 64 HTML files. And this is the last step, which is upload to Hostinger. So on the previous step, we created a sales assistant and trained it on our data and tested the connection. So now all I have to do is go to Hostinger, to my website, which is Concrete Level in Buffalo, File Manager. Now we'll go to public HTML. I will delete every one of these files. Now I'll minimize the window a little bit, go to my folder and move everything from the local folder to Hostinger. So this process is very fast, and the website is not that large. It's only 20 megabytes, which is nothing. Okay, so if everything has worked correctly, we should be seeing a new phone number. And voila, this is the new phone number. Let's check here and finally here. Yeah, all the changes have persisted, and we have just essentially updated our website with a new voice assistant. Now, if you want to learn everything that I know about Frank and Rance, and by the way, one of our students have just recently gotten his first client through Rank and Rance. I have much more in my school community, starting with the flagship search gap method that allows you to rank in any niche in 24 to 48 hours, to my amazing Vibe SEO class, rapid ranking system, local SEO Ranking Academy niche hunting course, access to custom tools. So if you want that, go check it out. The price is going to increase very soon once we hit 200 members. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.